Hello, I'm continuing to look at the Edexcel GCSE Maths Foundation paper 2 from 2020. This is a calculator paper and we're on question 15, and this is a question about formula. So I can see that I've got a formula for t, and it says that t is equal to 3x plus 4y, and the first thing we've got to do is work out the value of t when x is 5 and y is minus 7. So what I'm going to do is replace the x anywhere I see it in the formula by 5, and I'm going to replace the y by minus 7. So I'm just going to rewrite it, and I've got t is equal to, so that means 3 times x there, so 3 times 5, and then plus 4 times, and I'm just going to put a little bracket around that because it's a negative, 4 times minus 7. So if I work that out, I've got 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times negative 7 there, it's positive 4, negative 7. Overall the answer, if it's positive times negative, is going to be negative. And 4 times 7 is 28. So if I work that out, 15 take away 28 might seem a bit difficult to do. But we can say, what would 28 take away 15 be? And the answer to that would be 13. And then if we just use the sign of the bigger number, so we've got 15 take away 28. The bigger number there was 28. So we can see that that's a negative. So the answer is actually minus 13. Another way to look at that is if we consider a number line. So we can consider zeros in the middle. There's 15. And I'm actually going to take away 28. So if you wanted to do it this way, we could skip down 28 places like this. We'll go past the 0. And we'll keep skipping until we've gone down 28, and we'd end up at actually minus 13. So that's a bit of a long way to do it. Easy to miscount when you're doing that. So this is a handy trick. If you're taking two numbers away from each other, and what you can do, take the little one away from the big one, but just use the sign of the big one there. Sign of the big one being the minus 28. So overall the sign is negative. So for part B, we've got to now work out the value of y when t is 38 and x is 6. So what I can do is just substitute into the formula again. So I'm going to replace t by 38. So there we go. 38 equals 3 times, so x is 6, we're told there, and that's plus 4y. So we don't know what y is, but we're trying to work it out. So the first thing I'm going to do is just work out what 3 times 6 is. So I've got 38 equals 3 times 6, which is 18, plus 4y. Now I'm going to solve the equation by balancing it. That means by doing the same thing to both sides of the equals. So I'm going to get rid of this 18 by taking it away. So I've got to do the same there. And what I'll end up with is 38 take away 18 is 20. The plus 18 and the minus 18 cancel each other out. So we're just left with 4y on that side. And then to find out what y would be, all I need to do is divide, because this is times 4y. All I need to do is divide by 4. So I'll end up with 20 over 4 equals y. And in fact, 20 divided by 4 is 5. So we know that y is equal to 5. And that's it. We've finished it. So I hope that's been helpful. And if it has, please consider subscribing to the channel and also giving the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.